Paris 2024, a technological spectacle. The 2024 Paris Olympics were not just about athletic prowess. They were a showcase of incredible technology, from starting pistols that lit up the track to pools with touchscreens. The games were a glimpse into the future of sports. These innovations weren't just for show. They helped athletes perform better and brought fans closer to the action. Are you ready to explore the tech that stole the show in Paris? Let's dive in. Freezing time. The Omega's high-speed cameras. Imagine watching a swimming race where you can see every tiny splash and ripple as a swimmer cuts through the water. That's the power of Omega's high-speed cameras. These cameras capture thousands of frames per second, freezing moments that the human eye can't even see. Remember that incredibly close finish where two swimmers touched the wall at almost the same time? It was impossible to tell who won with the naked eye. But Omega's cameras captured every fraction of a second, providing the clear evidence needed to determine the winner. These cameras aren't just about accuracy, they also bring us closer to the action. Fans can relive the excitement of every moment, seeing every detail in stunning slow motion. It's like having a front row seat to the most thrilling parts of the game. Omega's high-speed cameras are more than just tools. They're storytellers. They capture the essence of sports and bring it to life for everyone to see. So next time you watch a race or a game, remember the technology behind those amazing slow-motion replays. It's Omega's high-speed cameras, freezing time and making every moment unforgettable. On your mark, get set, glow. Gone are the days of loud bangs and smoke at the starting line. Traditional starting guns were used to signal the start of races, but they also had some problems. The Paris Olympics introduced a quieter, more accurate system, the electric starting guns. These modern devices emit a bright flash of light and sound, ensuring a fair start for every athlete. The combination of visual and auditory signals helps to eliminate any problems that might arise with traditional guns. Electric signals travel at the speed of light, so everyone hears the start at the exact same time, regardless of their lane position. This ensures that no athlete is disadvantaged by their position on the track. The precision and fairness introduced by electric starting guns can be the deciding factor in close races. This innovation represents a significant step forward in the evolution of track and field events, promising a future where technology continues to enhance the sport. Digital twins, AI-powered athlete models. Imagine having a digital copy of yourself that helps you train and improve. That's what AI-powered 3D models are doing for athletes. Cameras capture an athlete's movements from all angles, and computers use this data to create a virtual model that analyzes everything from their stride length to their muscle activation. Coaches can use these models to identify areas for improvement and customize the training programs. It's like having a personalized coaching team available 24/7. Training for the future, the anti-gravity treadmills, and predictive AI. The Paris Olympics showcased training technology that looked like something from a science fiction movie. Athletes and spectators were amazed by the cutting-edge innovations on display. The UK brought its innovative anti-gravity treadmills. These treadmills create a low-gravity environment, allowing athletes to train harder without getting injured. By simulating a lower gravity environment, they help athletes train longer and improve their performance. Meanwhile, the USA unveiled AI systems that can predict event outcomes with remarkable accuracy. These systems use machine learning to analyze data and identify potential winners. This technology provides coaches and athletes with valuable insights to help them strategize and optimize their training. The excitement was obvious, as fans followed the predictions, adding a new layer of engagement to the sporting events. With these advancements, the future of sports training and competition looks incredibly promising. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think AI will ever fully replace human referees? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Green Games, sustainable innovations in Paris. The Paris Olympics wasn't just about breaking records, it was also about breaking new ground in sustainability. The city implemented innovative cooling systems using renewable energy to keep athletes and spectators comfortable. And even the medals were made using recycled materials. Paris showed the world that even major sporting events can be environmentally friendly. Wearable tech takes center stage. India made a significant contribution to the wearable technology at the Olympics. Athletes were equipped with sensors that tracked their heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. This data helped trainers optimize performance and ensure the well-being of the athletes. And speaking of India, get ready for cricket to make its Olympic debut at the 2028 Los Angeles Games. With India's passion for cricket and its growing tech influence, the sport is expected to become a global sensation. Which Olympic sport would you like to see next in the Games? Let's get a conversation going in the comments. Dive into the future. Oh, and I almost forgot. How could I? This year the swimming pools had built-in touchscreens. These screens tracked every touch and stroke, ensuring that no swimmer missed out on a split-second finish. The accuracy was so precise. It's like having your own personal race analyst right in the pool with you. All of these innovations bring us to one important question: the future of sports. So, what does all this mean for the future of sports? We're talking about a world where AI, advanced imaging, and sustainable tech are not just add-ons, but integral parts of the competition. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even see AI competing in the Games. Just kidding. Or am I? So, ladies and gentlemen, what tech excited you the most? Let us know. What piece of Olympic tech blew your mind? Was it the high-speed cameras, the AI-powered athlete models, or the sustainable innovations? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going. The future of sports is here, and it's incredibly exciting.